Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little cooking video. If you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be making some sopa. Everybody makes theirs different. Sorry, I'm like out of the angle and I look bummy as hell. I just got out the shower, so don't judge me. So yeah, everybody makes theirs different. I'm gonna kind of mix it up today because I don't have a lot of the stuff that I have a lot of the stuff that I need, but I'm missing like two things.
Right there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into this. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. I'm gonna try to be so consistent, you guys. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I have so many ideas right now. I just need time to film them, and I need to like want to film them. I'm like really lazy. But anyway, let's just jump right into the video. Oil, because you're gonna have to fry your pasta. This is the pasta we are using today. This is originally what fideo is cooked as. I believe this is fideo anyway in Spanish. I think this is the English version. You're gonna need onion, garlic, tomato sauce. I have some pepper. I have the salt right here. Some oregano. And I just ran out of this. I only have a little bit, so I'm gonna try to do it with this one today. This is the beef flavor. I always use the chicken, but it's kind of like out right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get set up. You guys don't really need to see my face. My shirt is like really explicit, sorry. I'm gonna leave the link to this shirt. I got it off a little Instagram page. They're really cute. So what I do first is I start to cut up my onion and my garlic. I'm only using a little bit of onion. I'm only making it a little bit because it's only me and Nevaeh while my son is at school. And yeah, so I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit. I'm just going to heat up some oil, just a little bit, because you don't want your soup to end up being hella oily. And I just have a pot about this big. Like I said, I'm only making a little bit. Sorry, Nevaeh's in the background, you guys. I'm just heating it up because we're gonna fry our pasta. Add in our pasta. And don't forget, you guys, pasta expands, so don't add too much. Just trying to make sure this is enough. Just a little bit more. And that's as much of it. On medium, and we're just gonna toss it around until it's brown. this is what it should start looking like. You want it to get brown like that and not like burnt as hell, because then it's just gonna taste nasty. So before everything gets brown, I like to throw in the onion and the garlic. Next, we're gonna pour in the whole can. And stir that around a little bit. Kind of like cook the tomato sauce. See, my pasta got too dark. Well, it doesn't look so dark on camera, but in person it looks a little bit too dark. But that's fine. With the water, this right here is 2 cups. I kind of eyeball it. I just make sure it covers the pasta. Like, you can still see the pasta there. I want it to add enough water where everything is easy to stir. You don't really see anything sitting at the top no more. So now we're gonna go in and turn it on medium. And hold on while I struggle. Going in with the beef one, and like I said, with this, I just eyeball it too. I also taste it. I know that's probably not enough. It's probably still tomatoey. Yeah, see? Super tomatoey. This is my first time using the beef one, so I hope it turns out really tasty. Just stir that around a little bit. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your salt and your pepper and your add a little bit, and you stir it around until everything's all nice and mixed. And so next is just the waiting process. You're gonna let it boil for a little bit. That's why you want to put it high, not too high. I'm just gonna put it about there. Gonna let it boil for a little bit. When it starts to boil, you're gonna turn it down to low and let it cook on its own for, I usually like I eyeball that too. I kind of just come back and check on it like 5 minutes later. So that's what we're gonna do. My soup is done. This is what it looks like. I tasted it. It tastes perfectly fine. Make sure you guys taste your food. And yeah, so that is what it looks like. You can still see some of the garlic in there. Still got some onions in there. And I'm gonna go put it in a bowl. So I spilled a little on the bowl, don't worry about that. So that's pretty much how I make mine. It's super simple. I know a lot of other people use like vegetables and chicken and stuff like that, but I'm not a fan of cooking it like that. This is how I make mine. I like it, my kids like it, everybody in my house likes it this way. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys try it with the beef one, because it actually tastes really good. Yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. That's fucking hot.